the composition that we are going to sing is as unique and special as the saint who has composed it. Krishna Leela is something that we all enjoy listening and experiencing it. This composer, saint composer, has beautifully compared each Leela of Krishna with a gem. So he has actually talked about every precious gem. Like for example, when Mother Yashoda is kissing Balakrishna, he says that it feels like they are both in a tub of pearls. Similarly, when he says when he's shining, he shines like Manikyam when he is trying to kill Lord Krishna. So each Leela of Krishna is compared to a gem. I'm sure we've all guessed that the saint composer is none other than Annamacharya. He is from the 15th century and one of the Talapaka composers. And he was one of the first saint composers who have composed the songs in the Pallavi, Anupallavi and Charanam format. It is indeed very sad to know that he has composed more than 32,000 songs, out of which nearly 20,000 of them are lost and not found. But yet the Tirupati Tirumala board tries to preserve the existing compositions and tries to bring out a lot of compositions through various workshops and through, they have a heritage place where they have saved all these compositions. I'm sure we are all going to sing along with us this beautiful composition, Muddu Gare Yashoda.